In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use count in LibreOffice Calc. We'll walk through a simple, practical example so you can see exactly how count works and why it's useful. Start by opening a new or existing spreadsheet. In column A, enter a small set of sample data so we can test the function. In cell A1, type 10. In A2, type 20. In A3, type apple, which is text. In A4, type 30. And in A5, leave it empty on purpose. This mix of numbers, text, and a blank cell will help demonstrate how count behaves with different kinds of entries. You don't have to use these exact values in your own sheet, but they make the example clear and easy to follow. Next, choose where you want to see the result of the count. Click an empty cell. I'll use A6 in this example. Placing the result below the data keeps everything tidy and makes it easy to adjust later if you add more entries to the list. Now let's enter the formula. In cell A6, type equal count A1, A5. The equal sign tells Calc you're entering a formula. Count is the function name, and the part in parentheses is the range you want to evaluate. The colon between A1 and A5 means from A1 through A5. You can type the range manually as shown, or type equal count and then drag to select the cells. Calc will fill in the range for you. Uppercase or lowercase letters don't matter here. Count works either way. Press Enter to calculate. You should see the result. 3. Here's why. Count only includes cells that contain numbers. In our range, 10, 20, and 30 are numeric, so they're counted. The cell with apple is text, so it's ignored. The empty cell is also ignored. That's the core idea behind count. Quickly tally how many numeric values are in a given range. If your result isn't what you expect, check a couple of common gotchas. Sometimes a number might actually be stored as text, for example, if it was pasted from elsewhere or includes an extra space. In that case, count won't include it. You can tell by looking at the cell alignment or formatting. Also make sure the range in your formula matches the cells you intended to count. You can change the range anytime. If you add more data below A5, simply update the formula to something like each count A1, A10, and press Enter again. That's all there is to it. With just a few keystrokes, count gives you a fast, accurate count of numeric entries in your spreadsheet.